So, this process of differentiation is super important because as these cells start to specialize, as they all get their own job, they develop into collections of cells, otherwise known as tissues. These tissues turn into collections of themselves that we call organs, and from there we get our body systems. So, in essence, it's differentiation that leads to different body systems. Uh, so let's talk about a few of those body systems. Let's learn about some of those. The first one up is the nervous system. This is comprised of the brain, lots of nerve cells, your spinal cord, and then we've got all of these different nerve endings in your body. Now, here's the really cool thing to think about. Some of these nerve endings are controlled consciously, right? The nervous system is responsible for controlling your body. So when you move your arms around like a maniac, it's your brain up here that's telling you to do that, that's telling your body to do that. But there are some other things that your brain will do subconsciously that you can't turn off. Think about your heartbeat. Nothing, your heartbeat is always happening, and you can't turn it off consciously. But that doesn't mean that it's your heart that knows to do that. Your brain is just constantly telling it to. There's a nerve that goes from your brain to your heart and says, keep beating. If you were to cut that off, if you were to sever the connection between the heart and the brain, your heart wouldn't know what to do. It's your brain that controls that. The way that I like to think about the nervous system is it's as if we're giant mech suits, right? Like a Gundam or those robots from Pacific Rim. Our whole body is just a big, meaty mech suit, and our brain is the pilot. It's crazy to think about, but it helps me remember what sort of things I can expect out of the nervous system, what I can expect it to provide for me.